Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper ninja star. So all you need is one paper and one scissor for it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want more gaming videos and more tutorial videos like this one. So alright, so let's get started. So all you need is one A4 size paper and one scissor. Alright, you can also do it without the scissor, but if you have the scissor, it's going to be way more easier. So the first thing we need to do is to make this into a square. So right now, as you can see, it's a rectangle, so we need to make it into a square. So for that, what we do is we take one corner and then put it to the ground, like this. If you can see properly, like this. So you do it like that. So you should have it like this. So then after that, we want to tear this piece off, so we want to cut it off. So just what we need to do is just fold it. Just fold it like that. Alright, so you should have you should have this shape. If you can see clearly, you should have this shape. Alright, so then what you need to do is you need to cut this piece off. So what I recommend doing is taking the scissors and cutting this off. So let me just do that. Alright, so we got this piece off. So now we got a square. So we got a square now. So now what you need to do is to fold that square in half. Alright, so fold it in half like this. And then we need to cut it like this, so we have two papers. Like, we just cut it in half basically. So let's take our scissors again. If you can tear it without the scissors, go ahead. But since I can't, I need to use the scissor. Alright. So that's two papers right now. So now what you need to do is to fold them. So like this. You want to fold both of them. So this is the first one, and then the second one. Alright. So now what you need to do is to fold them in half. So fold this in half, just like that. Just fold this in half. And then we need to fold this in half as well. So half like this. Oh, by the way, the one you just cut off, this piece, we don't need that anymore. Alright, so now we got two of them. They're like this. So, alright, so pay attention here because you need to do something important. So, take one of them, and then they're two sides. One is the left one is the right one. So, in one of them, put the left side, actually. Yeah, put the left side up. So, fold it like this up. You see there's a line over here. So, according to that line, you need to fold this up. So, like that. And then this one will go down. So like that. It's a little bit complicated, but if you pay attention, you can do it. So we got that one done. So but this one, we have to do the opposite. We have to put the left one down and the right one up. So the left one goes down according to the line, and then the right one will go up like that. Alright, so now you should have got two of these, which are opposite, like this. So take one and then fold these like this, and then do the same for the other one. other one.